My name is Patrick. I was in Fort Myers during Hurricane Ian. I was actually working. My family was out of town, so when I finally was released from work, I came home and found my house in quite a bit of disarray. The roof was damaged, several leaks. We had water in some parts of the house. I immediately contacted Cantor Pintaluga at the recommendation of some friends because I'd heard they had a stellar reputation. I got in contact with John. From day one, he kept me informed, and we were able to come to a pretty quick resolution on my case, which was a huge relief for me and my family in getting our house back into a place where we could live in it and not be burdened and not have to worry about money or any other things that come along with a storm like Hurricane Ian. After the storm, I had heard stories of several people having issues with their insurance companies, so I immediately reached out to Cantor and Pintaluga. John was able to come to a seamless resolution for my case and made us whole again, and I highly recommend anybody contact Cantor Pintaluga if they have these same sort of issues.